It's March 5th and we're up here at the bottom of the Big Meadow. There's been a lot of natural activity throughout this last storm. We get a little closer look at this little pocket that had pulled out, and that's what we seem to see is repeaters where things were really shallow. We picked up almost 58 centimeters of new snow from here to here in two storms. The first one came in probably this much on top of this old ice crust right here. And then we got this up on top, so it's certainly improved things a lot. Fist hard, pretty right side up. We get right down into here. On compression tests, we've been getting some real clean shears up in the new old snow from last week and this week. Then underneath here, we've got a facet crust sandwich here, but these facets they're getting smaller, they're chaining. You can actually pack them, and we get clear down to the ground here, and they're getting pretty hard. Really the concern we have is within the new snow here, as things are heating up today, surface is pretty damp. And down here on this old ice crust. Now I've looked for facets just barely on top of this crust. There's some small ones in there and then some bigger, larger facets underneath here, but they seem to be gaining strength. So we've got an extended column test here. We'll see what happens. And there's that shear we've been finding. It's in the new, between the two storms is what we're thinking.
17.
On 17, and that's really looks pretty clear. I mean clean. It did propagate, but it's not moving. See if that top layer will slide off there clean. So we've got something going on in mid-pack. That's one of the initial weaknesses, but boy, down to that crust things are looking pretty good. This is 9,700 feet. We're on a northeast facing slope of 31 degrees.